Do you want to streamline your hiring process and make more informed decisions on who to bring on board? Then I have the form template just for you. And the great news is that this template is entirely customizable to your needs. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Alright, so let's begin. Let's go to the formula dashboard and open the templates gallery. In the search bar, let's search for employment application form. Today, let's use this one. Great, now we can see the editor page and the menu on the left where we can drag and drop to add different fields and options to your form. You can also remove fields and rearrange the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. As you can see, this form contains a text field, date field, phone field, and an email field to collect basic information. You can change the title of the fields and add a description if you wish to. Let's scroll down, and here, as you can see, there is a multi-choice field, and here you can edit, remove, and add your options. You can also add images to the options if you want to here. And here, you can see two page break fields. This means that the questions on your form that are before and after the multi-choice field will be displayed on separate pages. I will show you in just a moment what it looks like, but for now, let's continue. Now here we have a section field. You can add a title if you want to, and here you can add a text to description as well as add an image or a link, for example. Just below, we have a file field where your submitters can upload their resume, for example, or any other relevant files. Here you can choose the file type and the maximum file size. Great, let's head over to the notification tab. You can enable this option to get a notification every time someone submits your form, and you can also add another email for your team to forward the same notification to. Pretty cool, right? Now let's go to the Design tab. Here you can change the look of your form by, for example, changing the theme and colors of your form, change the font. You can also change the background image and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Now let's scroll to the top, and here, as you can see, this is a single-step form, which means all questions are shown on the single page. But remember, as this form contains page break fields, some questions are displayed on separate pages. And with the multi-step option, all your questions will be displayed on multiple pages. And did you know that you can limit your form submissions per user? If you're interested to know how you can improve your data collection accuracy, efficiency, and security, I have left a tutorial for you in the top right corner, so make sure to check it out. Once you're done customizing your form, you can embed it to your website, and to do so, click Save and Use in Website. Here you can choose to use it as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Simply copy the code Formula gives you and paste it to your website, and it works right away. And there you have it! As you can see, you can customize your job application form super easily. This employment application form is a crucial step in the hiring process for any organization. It collects important information about potential candidates, such as their education, work experience, and relevant skills. You can sign up at Formula for free, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulating!